Wagwan guys, I am really happy today because I posted a particular no deposit bonus account yesterday. No deposit needed at all, and a lot of people were able to claim the no deposit bonus, and so people made withdrawal the day before yesterday. So it's really great and amazing. Now today I am here to give you a free $5,000 free funded account. This is not a competition account, this is not a challenge account, it is a free 5k instant funded account that you can get immediately without wasting time. So for those of you who are not able to get the account I dropped yesterday, this is another wonderful opportunity for you to claim your free 5k DOS account. All right, so do not waste time and watch this video till the very end. Now in this video, there are a lot of tricky things that I have already gone through, and that is why I'm making this video for you guys so that it can be more convenient for you to claim. But before we start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I want you to take a moment and click on the subscription button right now. By doing that, you are helping me and you are helping yourself. What do I mean by that? If you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button, anytime I make a video, you'll be the first person to get notified. So now, the first thing you have to do in order for you to get this free $5,000
hey y'all, come look at this
instant funded account is for you to hit the link in the description of this video, and the link will also be available for you in the comment section. So click on the link and you will be taken directly to my Telegram channel. Right there in my Telegram channel is where you are going to be getting the link to this website that you are going to be getting this free 5k instant funded account from. Now it does not end there. There are a lot of packages in there. For example, there is a free 5k instant funded account, there is a $20,000 instant funded account, and there is a $40,000 instant funded account that you can get. And I know that you heard me right, it is totally for free, not a challenge, not a competition, and also you can be able to withdraw. And it is my job for me to teach you and guide you through how you're going to withdraw. All you have to do is to watch this video carefully. So right here on the screen is where you are going to be brought to. Immediately you hit on the link in my Telegram channel. So once you've gotten to this interface like this, the next thing for you to do is for you to get funded by clicking on this storyline up here. As you can see, there is install right here on the screen. There is install right here on the screen. So you have a choice whether to install the app for better usage, for better uses, or to just go and register on their website. All right, so now to register on their website, which is what I will be showing you how to do, is for you to click on this storyline up here. Click on this storyline up here. So once you've clicked on the line, you'll be taken to an interface like this. All you have to do is to click on get funded. So once you've clicked on get funded, the next thing for you to do is for you to log in. Okay, so click on get funded one more time. So now go back and click on login. The first thing you want to do is for you to register. And if you register, that's the only thing that you can do in order for you to get this free 5k and other packages. All right, so just click on create one since this is your first time of coming across this particular broker. And also in the middle of this video, I'll be explaining the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. You can actually withdraw your profit from this account. So click on create one. So once you have been taken to an interface like this, as you can see, just fill in the right things that you have to fill in. Make sure that everything you are entering are all correct, because it will be important when you are about to withdraw your profit after trading. Okay, and also in the middle of this video I will be explaining how to start trading by using these accounts. All right, so enter your first name, your last name, your email, the country you are from, your phone number, in your phone number, enter your password, and enter your password again to confirm your password. Once you're done, enter register now. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So once you've entered the necessary details and you've clicked on register, let's hold on and look at where it's going to be taking us to. As you can see, the password is too similar to the email. So what you're going to do is to make sure that the email is different and not similar at all to the password you're going to be using. And the reason why this is important is because of security purpose. All right, so let's go get it. Change your email and make sure they are not similar with your password. So after you've clicked on register now, you'll be taken to an interface like this. You better save the password by clicking on save right here for easier login next time. So the next thing for you to do after you are done registering is for you to enter your registered email and your registered password. So once you are done, just click on login. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So as you can see, I have successfully signed in, and right here on the screen is my account. As you can see, right here on the screen is my account. So let me show you. This is it. The total payout is 0. Everything is 0. I don't have any accounts yet. This is everything. And also they have a competition account if you want to join, but that's not what we are here for. All right, so this is a challenge account. You can just click on new challenge account. You can buy their challenge account and all of that, but that's not the reason why we are here. All right, so now to get your free 5k dollars account and your 20k dollars account and your 40k dollars account, all you have to do is to click on this window icon right here. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to an interface like this. As you can see now, click on the leaderboard, and this is the leaderboard. These are the people who have gotten the account already, and they've started trading, and these are the equity and the balance they've been trading, and these are their profit and all of that. Very soon they will be withdrawing their profit. All right, so now to get your own, just click on this window icon one more time and click on rewards. All right, click on rewards, and as you can see, there are points here. There are points. All you have to do in order for you to get this your free 5k dollars account is for you to just watch me as I show you. All right, so now in order for us to get this free 5k instant funded account and all other packages, as you can see, there are points that we must earn, and there are rewards to be claimed after we've earned the points that we must earn. All right, so this is the point that are to be claimed. This is the total points that are available for us to claim, and in order for you to get your free 5k dollars instant funded account, all you have to do is to earn some points by performing some tasks right here on the screen. All right, so just perform the tasks. So now the higher the points you earn, the higher the free account you are going to be getting. So let me show you how to earn the tax. Just do the tax right here. Just follow the tax right here, and once you are done with them, your point will be increasing. Now after your point has already increased, the next thing for you to do is for you to claim your reward by clicking on reward. And when you scroll down, as you can see, these are free accounts right here. Free account. This is a free 5k instant account, and the total point you need is 950 points, and the overall point we have is about 30,000. So once you are done, just where they brought out insufficient points will be claim this free $50 account. So once you click on it, you will be credited, and your login details will be sent to your email account for you to be able to start trading. And in order for you to start trading with this account, once you've gotten the message from this broker into your email account, go and watch my previous video on how you can proceed from there. And if there is anything you don't know, or maybe you are not able to get a video, just drop what you need in the comment section, and I promise you that I will reply to you very well. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye.